Hello everyone, welcome back. This is part 3 of a title series that I'm doing. We're going to do the one you see on the screen right now, today, and we'll try to continue until I run out of ideas. I want to add here this on-screen keyboard I have to use because I'm paralyzed, cannot use my hands, so it will be on the screen and in the way some. I'll do my best to keep it out of the way, and I use a sip and puff handicap controller. You may hear me sip on it from time to time. I do edit it out, but I can't always get it all out. Well, with that said, we'll go ahead and get started in the Fusion page. Grab a background from the toolbar. Select it. Turn the alpha all the way down. For a moment, we'll go to dual viewers. You don't have to, but I will to show you something. I made this little cheat sheet up here for the modifiers to help keep the tutorial shorter, get through a little bit quicker, rather than try to remember all this and figure it out as we go. You take note right now if you want. I'm going to go to one viewer. Grab a text node, merge it into the background, put a default text in the box, and as usual, I want to mention I recommend using Open Sans and any kind of a preset because we're going to make a macro at the end of this, and you'll have a preset to reuse it. If you bring another font in your computer and you use that, if you ever switch computers and your new one does not have that particular font, the preset will not work. But if you use Open Sans, it'll work with any font in any computer. With that text node selected, get a transform. We're going to use this transform again to size it like the other ones and set the coordinates. So I'm going to go to 1.5 on the size again. And no, this is not just like the other ones. And on the center y-axis, let's go 0.54. Let's get another text node. Merge that into the merge one. Let's put another default text in. And let's get another transform. And go to the inspector under center y-axis. Let's go 0.41. Now your text should look something like mine. Okay, select the first text. Go to shading. Come down here to opacity. Right click. Modify width. Anim curves. We just made this modifier here. Click on it. I'm going to go to dual viewer so I can see my cheat sheet here. Under scale, that's this one up here. I'll put 3.2. And offset minus 0.5. And as you notice, when I run to play it all the way to the end, it's not going off the screen. So we want to select mirror. Gonna go to one viewer for a minute. If you go back to the tools, you can watch the opacity slider move as it animates when I play it. If you look at the numbers here, we're at 0 on frame 10. With the settings I put in there just now, is how I set it up. Purposely, the scale is the in and the offset is the out. So I got it coming in at 10 frames. And if you watch the slider in the inspector, it's fully in at 35 frames. And going out, same thing. Starting at 115. And it's fully out at 139. You can adjust those settings in the modifier, play around with them. Might find something you like better. Let's go to text 2. Put a shading. Go to opacity, right click. Modify width. And impairs. Now we'll go to this modifier. And we'll put these modifier 2 values in this modifier to the right. Under scale is 2.5. And offset is minus 0.6. And you can do the same thing with this one. Give it a play, look at the inspector, you'll see the opacity working. We have to hit the mirror still. Back to the modifier. And select mirror. Go to these 3 dots up here. Turn the checker underlay off. You have a black screen so you can see it better. I like it. Select the merge 2. Get a transform. Let's rename this one to Group Controls. This is the one we're going to use to move everything around as a group. Okay, we'll make the macro. So click away, make sure nothing's selected. Hold the control button down. Follow the order that I am. That way everything will be in that order from top to bottom in the inspector. Then hit A on the keyboard. Make sure the control button is still held down. And deselect the media out. We do not want to take that one. Then right click on any one of the other nodes. Go to macro, create macro, Give it a name. Text reveal 3. If you're not sure what to select in the macro, just click on whatever node you're working on in the macro, and it'll show it over here in the inspector. Okay, follow along. You don't have to add the emphasis if you don't want to. I just like to add them in there. Have that option. The center is your X and Y to move it vertically or horizontally. Text 2. Group controls. Select center, delete center, and put in group controls. And select size and put group in front of size. Same thing with angle. Go to File. If you go to Save As, it will lock it and you will never be able to get back into it in the Fusion page. If you save it as a group, which I recommend, that way you can reopen it in Fusion. It'll take it to macros, but select Fusion, Templates, Edit, Titles. Right here is where you can make your own folder if you want. I have mine. And save. I already have one in here with that. Just overwrote it. Close out your macro. I'm gonna go find it. Never had that happen before. Click on it. If you don't see it in the inspector, click on Titles, and there you have it. I'm not going to go through all the controls, they're pretty much the same. You can move the text individually. Or as a group. Maybe you want to do a lower third. Move that text on top if you want. You can move this around anywhere. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.